All right, guys, so happy Saturday. I am coming to you right now as your sign to go to Dollar Tree and get all of the signs. Right now, they at my stores, I don't know about anywhere else, my stores had the Halloween signs 2 for $1. And sorry for the shaking there. But I would definitely highly recommend going and seeing if your stores have them. These signs are so cute. I love the shapes of them. So definitely, that was the only one they had like that. I hope that I can find another one someplace else. Then they had this one. Again, the cute little shape of the sign is amazing. I don't know why my phone is like shaking. It's kind of weird. Another one like that. Then they had these. Again, I just bought them because of the cute little shape there. Got a few of those. I'm gonna go back to another store and see if they have any different ones. I went crazy with these. These long ones are just gonna be so amazing. I don't like all of the glitter, but it's okay. We take that off. I have a video showing how I remove the like the picture from them. If you can't find the Halloween ones, they have the Christmas ones. These are a little bit wider than the Halloween ones, so that's good. They also have like these seasonal, I don't know if these are seasonal, but they had these in the decor section, so maybe these are just like regular ones. They don't say craft or square, so they had these. You just want to look for the nice little shapes and all that. This is going to be super cute, and I'll show you what I did with them. This one right here is my favorite, I think, and this is again in the decor section, not in like the seasonal stuff, but you want to look for the cute little shapes. This one has like a little lip to it. This one I got for Valentine's Day probably last year. They had them 2 for $1. It's much wider than the other ones, but it is a bit shorter. Let me show you. So it is a little bit shorter, but definitely good that you get that wide piece to it. Now let me show you why. Look at this amazing little bed that I made. I made that out of this sign right here. Love the shape of it. Love how it turned out. And it is so cute. Look at it. I mean, look how cute that is. I love it. And I'm going to show you how I made it. So definitely stay tuned. This one's a work in progress, but it is from one of the Dollar Tree signs. You can see the shape there. I don't have another one, so this was the only one I found like that. But again, whenever you go to Dollar Tree, you can find those signs. They have all different ones. The legs are just clothespins, so you can fill that in with some wood filler or some like lightweight spackle, sand it down, and then you don't see that little ridge there. Doesn't really bother me, so works for me. But yeah, and this is one of the like scarves, I don't know what they're called, but I got it from like the winter section where the scarves and the gloves are at, and I just thought it was super cute, and I love the color. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I did this and what I'm using to make the little cushion. Even I made the pillows, I made all the things, and the fabric. This one is from the Dollar Tree. This is like an old table runner that I had that I got at like a thrift store or something. But yeah, definitely run to Dollar Tree. See if they have the Halloween signs 2 for $1 or on some type of a clearance. Definitely a great time. And just look for the unique sizes. And I'm going to show you how to make some cute little dollhouse furniture with all of the signs. So stay tuned. Have a good day. Bye, guys. Be blessed and be the reason someone smiles. Bye.